We're here at this off-road park. We got the plastic wrap tires. We're gonna see how long they last going off-road. Let's get to it. We're literally driving on a 4x4. Welcome back to Novice Garage. What are we doing today, Brennan?
Today, we're gonna do more saran wrap tire.
Last video, we made 2 massive saran wrap tires, or plastic wrap tires, whatever you want to call them. It worked pretty okay.
Okay, but we have a better method this time. We're gonna take this thing off-roading with the saran wrap tires.
We're not exactly sure what kind of modifications we're gonna make to the tires. We might melt them with a flamethrower. We might compact them more. We're gonna figure that out. Also guys, we are really excited and pumped to announce our very first runway racing event at Mineral Wells Airport. Guys, it's gonna be awesome. There's gonna be drifting there, there's gonna be drag racing there, it's gonna be a massive car meet. It's gonna be freaking lit. We hope to see all of y'all there.
We're keeping that shit. We're just gonna keep that. Bro, I'm not gonna do that well.
Blooper.
Also guys, there's gonna be free food, free drinks. It's gonna be $20 to drive and $5 to spectate. Also, channel sponsors. They spectate for free, or y'all can get $10 off your driver's fee.
Special shout out to all of y'all sponsoring the channel. It is $5 a month, so make sure you hit that sponsor button below this video and become part of the gang.
Guys, we love the support from our sponsors, and it helps us make these cool videos for y'all to watch, so thank you.
So make sure you click the link in the description below. If you're going for sure, make sure to slap that going button because it makes us know and also lets the other people know that you're going, and we can't wait. Hopefully it's gonna be a huge turnout. So with that said, on to the actual video. Did we just do a self-sponsor?
Yeah, kind of.
Should we pay ourselves for promoting ourselves? It's cams, bro! Alright guys, so this, as you can see, is from the last video. If you haven't watched that,
Link in description. Alright guys, we just finished cutting off all the plastic from the old tires, and now Gabe's finishing up this rim, and we're gonna start wrapping the tire. Yay, yay!
so we didn't take off all the plastic. We just got it down to this very last layer, but this layer is pretty stiff. It's pretty dense, so we think this will be a good foundation to build the rest of the tire off of. Okay, so Brennan's gonna hold the roll of plastic wrap. Assistant Chris is gonna drive the buggy, and I'm going to guide the plastic wrap on. Hopefully this works just as good as last time.
Okay, hype. Oh
Woo!
yeah.
So we got the first lap done, but last time, you know, we just went, and then whenever we dropped it, it compressed too much. So go a little bit more?
Yeah, because it'll just hit the rim.
Okay, all right. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and drop it to the floor and roll it forward with the weight of the buggy on the wheel. That way the plastic wrap kind of condenses together.
All right, let's drop it in 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Look at that. The drag slick, bro.
I like it, I like it.
A little bit too much gas, I think. More? Back it up. Alright guys, it's day 2 of this video. We ran out of sunlight, so here we are. We actually just trailered the buggy to an awesome off-road park here in Bridgeport, Texas, where we're gonna test the rest of this video. So, we're here at this off-road park. We got the plastic wrap tires. We're about to put them on. We're gonna see how long they last going off-road. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we're getting it set up. We ran into some subscribers, so they've been watching. How long have y'all been watching? 2 years. 2 years? Damn. So how long do y'all think this is gonna last? From here to that time. Okay, so you're saying that in the 8th mile, okay. Any other guesses?
I got about a mile on it.
Okay, we got a mile. How about you?
About a mile.
Oh, a mile? Okay. So we gotta reach at least a mile. That's the goal. All right, Joe's gonna be our test driver for today.
The stunt dummy. Yeah.
Stunt dummy.
As our great example in Galveston, I was.
Yep. So as you guys can see, we did some practice runs already with actual tires, not saran wrap tires.
Yeah, no.
So
we wouldn't.
All right.
We wouldn't get stuck that early in the day. We want to have a little bit of fun.
It also rained all day yesterday.
All day, and then
so muddy
until like 3 in the morning. It was still raining.
Look at that stance. Not the best for off-road, but it'll get her done. Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh no! I think we lost half the tire, guys. We got half your tire right here.
Oh, sweet. I'll just take that back.
Well, I think most of the bets are actually pretty accurate. We got like a solid, I'd say a little less than 1/8 mile down the street. They're still intact, kind of. Sorta. Well guys, we went down the trail and we lost 3 of the lug nuts, so the wheel almost fell off. For the record, I didn't tighten these, Joe did. We lost a wheel. Oh wow. Hey, I found one. Oh, we got one. 2 will work. This sucks. All right guys, so we went down the trail. We found like what, at least 2 lug nuts? We got 3 now.
Yeah, we have 3 out of 4.
So we got the wheel off and turns out, you can't really see it too well, but the stud's actually stripped. Yeah, you can probably see that one right there. So we're trying to figure it out. Probably just gonna run 2 lug nuts till we can get back to the truck, and goal is to get the tire back on. All right guys, right now we're limping it back. Here's the current situation right now. Super wobbly. The wheel's literally gonna fall off any second now. We're just trying to get as far back as possible before we have to just drag it home, drag it back to the parking lot. All right guys, so here's the plan. We came down this way. This area is very hard to get up and down, so we're taking a shortcut. I got a walkie-talkie to let him know in case the wheel falls off again. We're using the winch to tow it. Hopefully this works. He's towing me up this hill, so we'll see what happens. Let her in. I think it's up to the top of the hill. I'm laying down because we don't really have a winch blanket, so this is so sketchy. Please do not do this at home or a park or in your neighbor's backyard. Oh god. On a scale of 1 to sketch, this is sketch. Need to back up? Yeah, let it roll. All right. Yep. So we're gonna let him get up this hill. We put the winch into free spool mode to let him get up, and now we got a little bit more travel with the winch, so we should be able to pull us up now.
Yeah, I don't know if I've been up this trail before.
I can winch up to you. All right guys, so since he's spinning, I'm gonna go ahead and use the winch.
to try and make it up the hill without dying. And there he goes. Oh! Hey! Hey! Oh, we're fucked. We are fucked. Oh.
I didn't think that would happen.
Hey, third time's a charm, right?
Phone died, huh?
100 more, probably like what, 100 feet, maybe 200 feet more, and now we're here. So here's one of the lug nuts with the wheel stud. It snapped clear off, and now we have no wheel. Now it's a question of, can you off-road on brake roads?
So it went from saran wrap to trailing to a rescue that's gone wrong. Or right, depending on how you see it.
What's your name, by the way?
Hank.
Hank.
Thanks, Hank.
No problem,
Oh
man.
my guy, Hank.
Things where you scream yeehaw and just floor it.
Plan is to minimize the amount of dragging the brake rotor is going to go through, because it'll be one less thing we have to replace when we get home. Is this how y'all thought y'all's days when we go?
No. Not quite. I've been home right now drinking beer. Not happening.
Well, we can do the beer part. See, I thought about the other day, it's the hardest for us to sell vehicles because it's all over the internet.
There's so much proof of the bad stuff we've done to them.
Yeah.
Someone buys it. I think they're my friend. I wonder if I can. Let me look up the turbo kit for this. Novice Garage. What's that? That looks familiar.
Damn, hey, they got the same light bar. Hey, wait a minute.
Hold on a second here.
Let's just say we get our money's worth out of our vehicles. We picked the best possible group to go off-roading with.
Absolutely. These guys are great. So shout out to Patriot Off-Road. We're going to put their Instagram tags.
So seriously, guys, go give them a follow. Like,
These guys are great.
they're redneck MacGyvers.
Oh, yeah. It's...
Oh my gosh, this looks amazing, guys.
Now, let's see if that magic worked.
All right. See the ride height. Ooh. All right, jack's off. Let's give it a shot.
It's working! Woo!
Can't believe this is working right now.
Bruh, this has to be video number 2. Can you rescue a vehicle with a 4x4?
We're literally driving on a 4x4. Well, not, we're technically being towed, but same thing. Oh my gosh.
Steer straight, steer straight. Gabe, steer straight. Oh. There goes one strap. You can make it. Oh no. Oh, we lost it. Three-wheel motion, baby. Yeah, you better hold the hell on, Gabe. Oh, we ain't worried about paint. That's alright, we got about 2 more cans.
That's a Mako paint right there.
Yeah, the caliper's still on. Hits the one rock that was there. Oh! There he goes. Like the majestic beast he is. Yeah, it looks a little rough over there.
They were smart. They got no.
See, we don't need none of that. We got this.
Don't need no tow truck.
We don't need no stinking tow truck. We got some badasses and some Fords. Ah! I can see the for sale ad now. Oh, whoa, woo! Is that one of them low profile tires?
Oh. It's alright. Keep going. Just go with it.
And no trailer.
There we go.
Woo!
All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, drop a like. A huge shout out to Patriot Off-Road for helping us. They're awesome. Go give them a follow once again. We literally would be so screwed right now if they weren't with us. So we got on the trailer. We're heading home. We're gonna make the best out of it. All right, guys, that's it. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. We will see y'all next time. Peace.
I know we gotta get it. I know we gotta get it. No, we gotta get it somehow. I know we gotta.
Let me ask, why is Joe in the back of the Ford? A better question is, why is there only one wheel missing? Woo!
More power, baby.
Welcome back to the channel.
Oh, welcome back to Novice Garage.
Yeah.
Okay.